Imagine waking up tomorrow and your entire website is gone. No pages, no design, no clients, nothing. That is exactly why this video is important. And I'm going to show you how to back up your website, WordPress website, the smart way using Updraft. And you will never lose your work again. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to back up your full website in minutes. You're going to restore it safely on Google Drive, and you are going to be able to restore your website anytime without stress. So let's go and get our plugin. We're going to navigate to the plugin section. So first of all, this is our WordPress dashboard, and we are going to add plugins. Okay, and this is the plugin section. We are going to search for Updraft. Yes, so when you search for Updrafts, download, install, and activate it. So let me show you why this is important and it's not optional. Most beginners think backup is only for big websites, and that is wrong. So here is what can actually destroy your website instantly. Plugin updates can break your site. Theme conflicts can crash everything. Hackers or malware can also attack your site. And also hosting issues can affect your website. So one click, everything is over. So now let me show you how to protect yourself. So after you install Updrafts, just follow these tutorials. You can skip because it's not necessary. We are not beginners. Okay, let's go ahead and navigate to Updraft here, and this is Updraft panel. Okay, you can click here to back up your website instantly, but before that you have to go through some settings. So click on the settings panel, and here file backup schedule, we are going to change it to weekly. So it means every week we want our website to be backed up, and we are going to change retain this many schedule backups. So we are going to retain 4 backups at a time. So the moment it exceeds 4, it's going to delete the old versions. And we are going to change the database, which is very important, also to weekly. And we are going to save our changes here. And we are going to click on Google Drive. Okay, let's click on Google Drive. And you can sign in Google, and you can also save changes, and it will automatically prompt you to sign in with Google. So let's go ahead and connect to our Google Drive and select the email you want to use. Continue. Yeah, and complete setup. This is the first phase of our setup. Okay, and let's back up files now. Let's tick every box here if it's not ticked, unless the last one, don't tick it, because we want it to be automatic, not manually. So we're going to click on backup now, and instantly you can see our website is being backed up. So if you are building websites for clients, this is not optional. One mistake without backup, it can cost you everything. It can cost you money, your client, and reputation. But now you are protected. So let's navigate to our Google Drive. Go to your Google Drive, log into your Google Drive account, and refresh your page. You can see the backup we made is here. Everything is here. You can definitely download them to your local computer and have a local copy as well. And let me show you how to do that also from Updraft. And you can also click on restore to restore the backup. So let's say you want to restore our backup, right? We lost our drive. We lost our website suddenly. You want to click on plugins, themes, uploads, and others. Others means anything that is not here, right? And obviously database is very important, and click on next. And it's going to backup or restore from the previous backup, which is these dates. Okay, when you're done, you're going to click on next. So yeah, this is it. It's done with the backup. Let's return. Also, let me show you how to backup from or save your backup from Updraft. Okay, this is the section, and this is our recent backup. All right, so in this section we are going to manually save our files. So this is our last backup. And we are going to click on database. We are going to click on plugins. We are going to click on themes. We are going to click on uploads, and we're going to click on others. And we are going to download them. Okay, so let's click on download to our computer. We're going to download each and every one of them to our computer. All right, and after downloading your backup to your computer, this is how to manually restore your website. Let's say it has crashed and you want to restore your website. What you have to do is upload back files or backup files and click on select drives files, right? Select the files and upload them. Instantly when you're uploading, it is going to complete your backup process. Okay, and that is it. So as you can see the notification, it says backup has finished running. If this video saved you from losing your website, drop a comment backup done so I know you are secured. And if you want more tutorials like this on WordPress design and building real client projects, hit the like button and subscribe so that you don't miss our next tutorial. Also, in my next video, I will show you how to migrate an entire website to another host in minutes without coding.